What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I have another Cut the Rope walkthrough, this time walking you through level 11 on Fabric Box, the second box inside of the Cut the Rope story. But if you did need help on any other levels on Fabric Box or in the game in general, I have a full playlist with every single level walked through at the top of the description. If you want to click on that, you'll be able to see any level that you need help solving. Let's jump into this tutorial right now, walking you through level 11 on Cut the Rope. Here we have the spikes with the rope, and the first thing you're going to want to do is slice the two ropes on the left, and then you can get that star as it slingshots across. And then the next thing is cut the rope all the way at the top so that the rope drops down to the bottom. And then as you split it there, the rope should swing and eventually grab that candy, and you just have to slice it around the spikes and then slice the rope right once it gets over Omnom's head, right before the bug ends up trying to eat the candy. And then by doing that, you will get the 3-star. And that is all there is to it, an easy 3-star walkthrough on Fabric Box level 11. And like I said, if you needed help on any other levels, a full playlist is linked at the top of the description with all the levels. But if you did find this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.